Welcome travelers to this new video. Turkish Airlines will bring me from Istanbul to Munich today on board their Airbus A330. It is my first time flying from the new Istanbul airport, and I can tell you that I'm very impressed by the architecture. And as my flight will leave in about 30 minutes, let's enjoy some impressions of the airport together. My seat for today's flight is 25 kilo. Every seat features a personal infotainment system. The cabin is not the most modern one, but it's very clean. As you can see, the legroom is very good. Every seat features a coat hook and a USB power outlet. Today's flight is quite empty, so I got the entire row for myself. The crew handed out headphones to each passenger.
Including electronic cigarettes. It is also strictly prohibited to smoke in the lavatories, which are equipped with smoke detectors. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, simply get in touch with the flight attendants for more details.
Turkish Airlines provides a full complimentary meal and free beverage service. I love the onboard service of Turkish Airlines, because on many other European flights you don't even get a bottle of water for free. However, the meal was very tasty. The atmosphere on board is very relaxing. Every seat features a safety card in its seat pocket, as well as a waist bag. Since we are already starting to pass the Alps, We will soon start our descent into Munich.
Maddi yaptırım uygulanabileceğini hatırlatmak isteriz. Konuya hassasiyet göstermenizi rica eder, anlayışınız için teşekkür ederiz. Dear passengers, in line with the German regulations, all passengers over the age of 6 and older are required to use a medical mask or FFP2 mask without wipes inside the aircraft and at the airport. We would like to remind you that fines may be imposed on passengers who do not use masks with the specified characteristic during the controls made by authorities. We request your sensitivity on this issue and thank you for your understanding.
I had a really nice experience flying Turkish Airlines and I really loved their onboard service. The aircraft is not the most modern one, but totally enough for a flight of 2.5 hours. I hope that I can show you the business class product of Turkish Airlines very soon. Thank you so much for watching, like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.